right, so here's our homework pages. Page 465. We're just doing problems 1 through 4 today because we ran out of time in class to finish all of the lesson. We'll finish it tomorrow. So I see some friends in my chat are telling me they're going to guess this answer is, without even doing the math, right? Or maybe they did do the math. They're going to guess it's 0.083. And they put a little 0 there too. So let's see. I'm going to say 8.3 divided by 100. Right? 100 cannot go into 8. I'll put my decimal place. 100 cannot go into 83. I'll put a 0. I need to add a 0. 100 can go into 838 times. Right? 8 times 100 is 800. I subtract, I get 30. I can't have a remainder, so I need to add a 0, bring down my 0. 100 into 300 goes 3 times. Nice job, guys. 0.083. How about number 2? What's your guess for number 2? What's the answer going to be? They got this one right, though. Remember, Melanie, nice job. How about number 2? Do you have a guess for number 2? I'll start writing it out. So 208 divided by 10 to the second power. Right? 10 to the second power just means 10 times 10, which is 100. I think that's always the, so someone said it's going to be 28. I saw a guess that it's going to be 28 is going to be the answer. Any other guess? And I saw another guess that it's going to be 2.08. All right, so let's see. So I'm going to divide by 100. So there's no decimal place there, right? So right now I'm just going to say, can 100 go into 2? No. Can 100 go into 20? No. Can 100 go into 208? Yes, 2 times. 2 times 100 is 200. I subtract, I get 8. Right? But so that now is where I'm not leaving a remainder, right? I would say 2 remainder 8, done. Or 2 and 8 100ths, done. So hopefully, though, you could see that I would say 2 and 8 100ths, right? I put my remainder over my, so 8 100ths is the same as, right? So let's keep going because I can't leave it like that. I'm going to put a decimal right here, because I have to add a decimal here to add a number. Otherwise, I'm changing this number to 2080, and that's not it. It's still 208. I'm adding my 0 so I can keep dividing. So 0. I bring it down. Can 100 go into 80? No. So I need a 0 here to hold my place. Okay, so now I can't leave my remainder. I'm going to add another 0. I bring it down. 100 into 800? Yes. 8 times. So my answer is 2.08. So we had a winner, right? It's not just 28, it's 2.08. And what I did is I moved my decimal place over 2 times, right? My decimal place was right here after the 8, so I went 1, 2. Right? My decimal place was right here. I went 1, 2. I moved it over 2 times. Nice job. All right, how about your guess for, ooh, I see a guess for 3 and number 4. Or just for number 4. I see a guess for number 4 that it's 0.0327.
Number is 50.
How about number 3? I hear number 3 is going to be 0.07. Ha, nice job. Do we have to do anything with this? No, I could. Right? If I wanted to get real serious, I'm like, uh-oh, I don't know what it's going to be. Right? I bring up my decimal place. Okay, say, can 1 go into 0? No. 0 times 1 is 0. I subtract, I bring down my next number. It's a 7. 7 times 1 is 7. I have a remainder of 0, right? So I know anything divided by 1 is going to give me the same amount. If I have 1 whole pizza and I give it to 1 whole person, they get the whole pizza. Right? If I have a half a pizza and 1 person, they get the whole half a pizza. All right, so let's see this.
Oh, I got it right.
You got it right. Nice. All right, so this one.
I want to.
Did you get it? You got this one right, Elissa? That's what you're saying?
No, it was number 4.
Oh, number 4. So this number 4, did you get it right?
Yeah, that's my guess. But
That's your
I don't know
guess?
if so.
All right, let's see. So I'm going to go
Right.
32.7 divided by 1,000. So can 1,000 go into 3? No. Into 32? No. Into 327? Still a no. But now I'll put my 0 because I'm after the decimal place, right? I could put this 0 here if I want to make it pretty, have it nice spacing, but I don't need it. So, but it cannot, 1,000 cannot go into 327. And if I, I go, and I'd still have 327. I'm going to add a 0. Now, can it go into 3,000? Yes, 3 times. So I'm going to say 3, it's going to be 3,000, right? I went 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3. So now I subtract, I get 2, 7. I have to add another 0. Now I'm in my math problem here again. Ah. I love this whiteout thing I got. Yay. Okay, I'll leave the page number this time. Last time I took away the page number and that messed it up. All right, so I know 2 times, right? Now I'm going to say 2,000. I'll subtract. I still have my 700, but I have to add another 0 to make it, and then I make it 7,000. And now I have 7,000. I subtract, I get 0. So my answer is 0.0327. Right? All I did, my decimal place was right here. I moved it over 3 places because I have 3 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3. Done. All right, so that's our problems 1 through 4.